I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency before launch. Okay, while cryptocurrency is in testnet or it's going to be mainnet, at the time how you know it. Okay, so first you can know it by doing their like majority crypto. Those are biggest. Those are do something on real life. They give they give Airdrop testnet. Okay, you can understand them. You can follow them by testnet Airdrop. Okay, so and another way you can do it is using your Google and search ICO, initial coin offering. Okay, in details. So here is couple of option has ICO drops. So click on here in order to getting update about that, and as well as you can join couple of Telegram channel. It is worthwhile to join Telegram channel about getting update like pancake swap listing update on Telegram. So here is you are seeing that ICO drops, crudo protocol, PIP unchained. They're going to it's active. They are going to be pre-sale. Here is has pre-sale until quarter 3. Okay, they will sell their token until quarter 3, like January, March, April, May June, until May June. So you can buy it. Okay, so you are seeing each of them here, so you can find out them. A blast is biggest. You can buy before they are going to mainnet. Okay, if you noticed here, if I show you launch poll on Bybit, they already listed layer 3 on Bybit. And Shinkai artificial intelligence, their testnet is ongoing. Incentivized testnet, 17-day left. Okay, so everything will found out in here, and view all 178 active ICO. Okay, click on there. And another way you can do it, come into Telegram and search here pancake swap listing. Pancake swap. Okay, pancake swap listing. Okay, so here is new pancake swap listing. Every update they will provide. Okay, it's BNB network thing. You can do a lot of, you can found, just search on Google listing Telegram channel, new coin listing Telegram channel, ICO Telegram channel list. You can join each of them. You can as well found out Discord. In Discord, search exact same pairs by Discord, in Telegram, like this way. So my network problem is doing this problem. Sorry for that. You can find out, and where you will see the PR. Okay, let's say era PR BNB. You will see it where it is listed. They will say you while it will be listed very soon. You can buy that, and you can, because every coin, when coin has been listed, at that time coin price has been increased because people buy at the time. Okay, and this way you can buy your coin before launching. So this was my strategy. If you found any strategy, please write down comment. I will be glad to you. I want to learn from all of you.